Take command of the road in the 2013 Toyota Tundra. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this truck lines up eagerly against competing models, delivering the perfect blend of power, safety, and flair. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Toyota are offered, including front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, skid plates, and a split folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.